They're just playing with the biggest insecurity that Indians have.
Brands are promoting shit like it's gold, and I'm here to expose them. So, hi, I'm Viva, and as your official lab rat,
So I'm gonna review each of these products to tell you if they're kachada or not.
let's review some body care today. I've used every one of these products for a minimum of 3 months and maximum of like 2 years, so don't worry about it. Let's start off with the Chemist at Play Underarm Roll-On. These are actually what I could find here. I've thrown the rest after using them. I've used them in literally every single fragrance possible. Fragrance-free one, Aqua, there's Oud, Jasmine, Peach. One thing I can tell you is the fragrance definitely does not last at all, but this does work for mild pigmentation because this worked on me and it's gonna keep working only if you keep using it. This does not stop you from sweating whatsoever, but it does control odor. That is for sure. Like, I stink a lot. Pigmentation, it does work only if it's mild. Like I said, my sister has a little bit more pigmentation than I do. It did not work for her. It did work for me. This one's lab rat approved only for mild to medium pigmentation, not for something that's more. Now we have the Nivea Underarm Roll-On. So with this, the thing is, it smells really good and it actually stops you from sweating. So every single time I've used this, my underarms have felt very fresh and the smell is very like powdery. It takes you back to this childhood memories and stuff.
வாசனை இருந்துகிட்டே இருக்கும் full day fresh full day பளிச்சு
Mainly because of the smell, but it does not work on pigmentation whatsoever. It's just to make you feel fresh and control odor as well. I think one of their versions had aluminum and they removed it in their other version, so that's good for us. Too good. It smells really good. This is a really good option if you want to go on like these beachy trips. Just use this and go. Your sweat won't have those pit stains. I usually have them. So yes, lab rat approved. Now we're gonna talk about the Nikoni Detan Cream. Bro, the amount of guts this brand has to lie to us is massive. Like, if I had this amount of guts, I would have 10 million followers by now. But they have guts in the wrong way. See, I tell you the reason why I'm reviewing this product without even using it is because of the ingredient list. First of all, they're saying it's a detan product, right? No, it's a bleaching product. No wonder the second you put it and you wipe it off, color is gone. Why? It's bleaching your damn skin, bro. As consumers, it's so important for us to like check the labels at this point of time. The number of people who've sent me this product and asked me to review it, I was like, I'm honored, but I'm not gonna buy bleach. This brand needs to bleach their brain.
Oh. And by the way, it has this like ingredient that doesn't qualify as a bleach in the industry, but what it does is remove your skin color, remove melanin pigment from your body. That's why when people use it, you can see their hair color also change. Like, brown hair will become blonde if you use this. They also have it noted on the website saying don't use it too close to your hairline because it can remove that. Detan is supposed to remove sun damage, not skin color or melanin pigment. That's how they're actually playing with us, and most of us are even dumb enough to fall for it. They're just playing with the biggest insecurity that Indians have, and it's not even safe for our skin for repeated use. Like, it'll break your barrier, it's going to irritate your skin a lot. The formula is not Detan. Not.
Lab rat approved or rejected? No, lab rat dead. Died. Let's move on to body washes. This is the Chemist at Play exfoliating body wash. It has those exfoliating beads. I don't think those were necessary at all because they do nothing. But it has salicylic acid. So if you're someone like me who has back acne, definitely buy this. Will work wonders for you. And it'll also work on like very like recent tan. Not something that you've had since ages. If you try to put this and try to correct that, you need to correct here. Bruh. It also smells really good. It has like this vanilla fragrance, but it doesn't linger on the skin, so that's sad. Anyways, nothing lasts on me or in my life. So. And I also love their directions to use. You know, they say we don't need you to tell you how to use a damn body wash, right? If you don't know, ask someone, like invite someone into the shower and ask them to shower with you, they'll teach you. Very nice. But what about people like my wives who don't have anyone and only have me as their wife on screen? Also, I'm wife only to the girlies, okay, not to the boys. Just letting you know. So if you wanna marry me, just comment down.
ஏன்டா மூஞ்சி அப்படி வச்சிருக்க?
Otherwise, I'm straight. But for you, I'm gay. Only if you're girl. Now this Foxtail Hula Hoop body wash, I think this is this. like because I've used this, I bought it with my own money and used this, and I think they just repackaged it and added different fragrance, but even this was really good. If you have back acne, works wonders on your back. Has salicylic acid, also will help with very slight tan, like even slighter than the Chemist at Play one. But one thing I've noticed with all of these body wash brands is that they work pretty much the same. They just smell a little bit different, and they have like one or two slightly different ingredients that does the very same job. See, like both of these have salicylic acid, but this also has lactic acid, and this one has zinc PCA. So kind of doing the same job for you, but marketed different, but they are still good. You know, to stand out in this category, they really have to come up with something crazy to market and like stand out and all of that. But basically, they almost do the same job as far as I've experienced at least. But yeah, they're still good. I will literally repurchase both of these. Now the Asaya Underarm Even Tone Mist. I really like this product. Very inconvenient to use, you know. Stupid people like me, if you're stupid like me, I've literally sprayed this like this right into my eye, onto my face, like onto a really good fresh face of like sunscreen, blush and all of that. Like you can't even wipe it off. It has 7% glycolic acid, 3% salicylic acid and 0.5% simnodium. Works really well for underarm pigmentation. You have to be very consistent. I think this one is a lot stronger compared to the Chemist at Play roll-on. When it comes to controlling body odor, it does help with that. The only thing is it's fragrance free, so works pretty well. So with any of these underarm roll-ons, you have to be very consistent. That's when it's going to work. If you stop using it for a while and come back, your pigmentation might have come back a little bit. Like my pigmentation has come back a little bit if you observe. I haven't been regular with this for the past 3 months, so Lab Rat approved for me. Now this sunscreen body lotion from Wishcare, I've used a lot more of these. I think I threw it or it's like fallen somewhere in my house, but this is all I could find at this point. Love it. Absolutely love it. It blends so easily. You take a little bit and apply it. It's actually very good for winters, but if you're traveling in like very sunny areas and you're sweaty like me, it's not really gonna help us out because we're gonna sweat a lot more and the sunscreen will literally melt. It'll melt off of our body. It does take a little bit of time to blend in, but zero white cast, absolutely zero white cast. Good to go for me. Doesn't have that much of a fragrance. It's SPF 50 PA++++, so it's broad spectrum, good for us. And this 200 ml bottle retails for like 500. They also give a lot of offers, so just grab it during offer season. Same with these body washes. I literally wait for the offer season to get them. Brands are gonna hate me for saying this. Gonna stop working with me. Now this Be Body Wise 10% urea body lotion. Urea in body care is so required. Like, you know, emollient cream that has urea, that's why it's very hydrating, but you know the story about that, it's comedogenic. But yeah, for my body, I don't think comedogenic or whatever has had a problem because I don't get acne on my hands that much. But yeah, this is very hydrating. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. My uncle stole this from me because he has extremely dry skin. Like, he'll get like cracked. So he just keeps coming to my room and he's like, give me that, give me this. Once he took this and he kept talking to me about this so much. He was like, if I apply that for one day, I don't have to apply moisturizer for one whole week. It's so good. If they send it to me again, give it to me. But this time I gave it to my mom. Sorry, Baba. Even in my experience, it's actually very moisturizing. And it does have a very nice smell. Like, it's not a smell that's going to last for a really long time or linger on your body. I really like my skin after I apply this, and it does absorb very quickly as well. But it'll keep your skin hydrated for a really long time. So it's not like those extremely greasy, thick, oily, buttery ones. It's very light, penetrates deeply, I think. Now the Hibiscus Monkey In Shower Moisturizer. So initially when they sent it, I was like, what is the requirement? Like, you don't really need it. But then once I started getting lazy, this actually came in handy. The only thing is it's very oil based, so it's more like a sealant. That's why it works perfectly in shower. You're basically locking all of the water in the shower. So it's like locking water onto your skin. It smells kind of like, you know, this Ayurvedic good. I do like how it smells. It brings that, you know, like little bit calmness. Does not help me stay calm, but yes, my body does feel very hydrated when I use this. A lot of times I'm kind of lazy, right? I don't really use a moisturizer, but I think the price is a little bit too much for that laziness. Yeah, I think if you have like extremely dry skin, quite literally cracks and like dries up or like bleeds, use this and then layer it with another moisturizer. That's going to really lock in that moisture. Now the last product is actually supposed to be the Vaseline Gluta Hair night cream or night lotion, those tube ones. So the thing is, my mom gave it away. It was that bad. I saw like way too many influencers promoting it. So once when we went down to the store, my mom said, I want a moisturizer. And the store lady was like, Madam, ye le lo, bahut hi acha hai. और आपको apply करके दिखाती हूँ and all of that. And she applied it on my mom's skin. Like, how the hell are you gonna know in 10 seconds if the body lotion is good or not? You won't know. And I was like, you know what? Take this. I've seen like so many influencers rave about it, and the packaging also was so damn cute. And she took it. And then like a month later, she's coming to me and she's like, did you get any products from your collabs? Because this is not nice. And then she applied it. I was like, try it again. She kept trying it, I think, for a few more days, and she was like, you know what? This is not working out for my dry skin. It does not keep my skin hydrated at all. After applying it, it feels like I haven't applied anything and my skin goes back to dry. See, not feeling like you applied anything is different. Skin going back to dry, that's not good. So yeah, she gave it away. I had it on my list and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna roast this one also today. One getting roasted properly. It's not here in my house. She gave it. Should have been me. No, I didn't say that. So this is my mom and she'll give you the review of the Vaseline lotion that she gave off to someone.
It was very dry. I didn't like it. My skin was getting very dried and I was not comfortable when I applied.
So you gave it off.
Yeah, I gave it off to someone because I didn't like it. I was not satisfied with that product. They forcefully gave me.
Yeah, they were pushing
They
in
pushing.
the shop.
Yeah.
Etko.
Yeah,
and
we
those
wanted to
things.
buy Nivea moisturizing cream. They forced us to take Vaseline.
Vaseline didn't force, but you know,
Like
they pay
the-
these saleswomen so that you know, they get that particular sales moving or something like that. They pushed it to
Yeah.
us.
It's correct.
Yeah.
Bye.
So that was 10 products. Tell me if you want me to review even more products. Skincare, hair care, body care. I'm your lab rat. I'll be back with more. If you want me to review something, leave it down in the comments. Whichever has the highest number of likes or highest number of requests, I'll buy it and use it and review it. Of course, it's gonna take like 3 months minimum because I have to use it for you. Don't get scammed while I'm gone. Bye!